welcome to my channel. My name is Ashim. This is last night's high volume rows and biceps workout. I started off with dumbbell rows. This is an informal rest pause system that I have. I'm not going to be breaking out down each of these sets into their subcomponents, but it's not like a normal rest pause where you do a few reps, then you take a break, then you do a few reps, and then you take a break, and then you do a few more reps. So it's not 3 mini sets, it's 2 mini sets. With 3 mini sets, I could probably increase the volume by a good 60% or something. I could almost go up to 200 reps if I really wanted to do that. However, I did not do that. I'm only sticking to 2 for now. Later on I might build up on it. But so I've been thinking about what I'm going to do in terms of progression with these dumbbell rows. If you look at last week's workout, I think I got 104 reps. This week is 120, so that's a big increase. Normally I don't do such increases, but next week I want to take as a deload week because I haven't done a deload week in quite a while, and it makes no sense to keep pushing this. So I'm going to play around with different progression schemes, and what I've thought of doing, I'm just thinking, this is off the top of my head. I haven't written this down and really worked on it. Is that, see, right now I'm doing 5 sets of high rep dumbbell rows, and I start off with 20 kilos and I start adding weight. So what I think I will do is I'm going to have a 3-week rotation where let's say that this is week 1. What you guys are seeing right now is week 1, and then I'll keep that as the 3rd week actually. I'll build up to this, and then week 1 what I will do is I'll do, I think, between 3 sets with 20 kilos and 3 sets with 25 kilos, and then week 2 I'll do 3 sets with 25 kilos and 3 sets with 30 kilos on the dumbbell rod for as many reps as possible. And then week 3 I'll do this 20, 25, 30, 35, 40 ladder type, going up the ladder type layout. And then week 4, I think, for deload workout, I'll just stick to 20 kilos for as many reps as I can. I think in one set I can do, with just 2 rest pauses, I can probably do a good 50 reps. So maybe like 2 or 3 sets of that, and that's it. So that's one option that I'm going to look into. So it'll be like a 4-week rotation, but it's not really 4 weeks because each week is a 10-day cycle, so it's like 40 days. So I think that's acceptable, or maybe not. Let's just see what happens. I'm not gonna say much right now. Hopefully maybe I'll do 20 kilos and 30 kilos, then 25 kilos and 35 kilos, and then the 3rd week I'll do all the entire 5 sets ramped up. So this is one option. What I've done in this video is I've shown you guys the 20 kilo set number 1, set number 3 with 30 kilos, and set number 4 with 40 kilos. Just keep in mind that I'm not counting the weight of the dumbbell rod. It's around 4 kilos or something like that, but I'm not really counting it because I don't want to get into these. It becomes really complicated. Imagine seeing numbers like 29 and 34 and shit. It's annoying. So I'm only counting the plates that I've added to the bar, to the dumbbell rod, and that's it. So in total I got 120 reps. I'm very happy about that. And after I did these dumbbell rows with the way you guys are seeing right now, with one leg raised on the bench and one leg on the floor, I did dumbbell rows in a standing position. Not really like croc rows, but I am deloading the dumbbell on the floor on each rep. You guys will see that at the end. I did 3 sets of 10 reps with 20 kilos on that. I was a little nervous because this is one of those exercises that you can go really, really heavy on. I can pretty much see me taking 80 kilos or something like that and pulling it off. But however, with my lower back injury and with my history, I'm not quite sure whether that's very wise right now. So I'm not going to be doing that. I'm going to be sticking to high reps, and I know 10 compared to all the other high reps that I've done is relatively low, but I just wanted to get a feel of the movement. There's a good stretch at the bottom, not that the stretch is all that important, and it's a good contraction at the top, which is important. So I'm happy about that. Dumbbell rows, this second variation is pretty cool. I might stick with it. And after that I decided to do 2 different exercises for biceps. It's really funny when I noticed that I've done 8 sets for back with dumbbell rows in total and 12 sets for biceps. Guess I'm becoming a bodybuilder. But what I did was normally what I've done in the past with barbell curls and stuff is I've just kept stuck to very, very high reps and haven't really seen much difference. So what I thought I'd do is start loading up the bar and move away from very, very high reps and slowly, get into it. Because think about it, I have not done direct bicep work in many years now. I think in the last 6 months I've been doing them more frequently than I did in the entire 10-11 years that I've been working out. So I'm like a beginner with this. But the principle stays the same. So I took 20 kilos for 15 reps, then I added some weight, did a few reps less, added some more weight, did a few reps less, took a couple of these 6 sets to failure. I think with 30 kilos for 9, that was definitely a failure. And then 35 kilos, the set that you guys are going to watch, that is again definite failure. 5 reps. So this was good. Total of 61 reps on barbell curls, and then I did preacher curls. So I overestimated how heavy 10 kilos can be. Or maybe it's because I just finished doing barbell curls, because 22 pounds, or even with the rod being counted as 30 pounds, it's not really that much. But it was really difficult for me. So I did three reps, and I did 4 sets with that. And then I decided to reduce the weight. I took off those little blue plates that you guys are gonna see. You know, these plates are all colorful and stuff, and they look really nice and toy-like. But damn, once you start lifting them, it's not that much of a joke anymore. Like the 40-kilo dumbbell that you guys saw, it looks so nice and adorable because it's like red and then blue, then yellow, and then 2 greens. It's all colorful and like a kid's toy section, you know. And then, oh damn, 40 kilos though for 23 reps is hard. Alright, preacher curls, back to what I was saying, 5 kilos, I did 9 reps and then 2 sets with that. You guys will see the video, it's very easy. Anyway, and then I did a finisher. So I'm going to be doing this finisher in each of my workouts. It's 2 sets, and it's 2 giant sets. There are 4 exercises. There are 2 neck exercises to work the front of the neck and the back of the neck with number 1 bands. And then I did shrugs and for traps, and then I did some core work, which is front planks for 40 seconds. So that's it. This is my finisher. Thank you very much for watching this video, guys. I really appreciate your love and support. Thanks a lot.